Welcome. My name is Tim Gilmore, founder of Thankless Teaching. I want to give you a little bit of insight of how I implemented Milky Way math within my own classroom. First, I went and purchased this poster-sized paper that has grid lines on it. I laminated it so that I could use it from class to class. Next, I put the students in groups of 3 as they came in. I hung these posters all around the room and I labeled each of them with a number. Each group would have their own individual graph paper that they're going to have to get up and move to and plot points on. Next, while watching the Thankless Teaching video, the students are given individual equations that represent the previously launched mission from planet to planet. The students will take these equations and they'll factor them first. Then they'll solve for x. As a group, they need to come upon an agreement what the value for x should be. Once they have done that, they'll first plot it on their own individual graph paper first. Then collectively as a group, they'll come up to the poster hanging around the room and they will plot these points. As they do so, students need to make sure to label these values because each of these values of x represent a planet within the Milky Way galaxy. Once they've plotted 2 planets, they'll go back to their desk and they will have to come up with a parabola of how the space shuttle travels from planet to planet. Some of my students use T-charts, some of them use graphing calculators. It's kind of up to you and how you teach parabolas within your own classroom. So what they would do next is they came up here and they created the trajectory from planet to planet, which represents the launch of the shuttle. This is a great hands-on activity for your students to do, and it leads to great classroom discussion when all the posters are hanging around the room. Finally, they're given a scale factor that 1x represents 60 million miles. The students will actually figure out the distances from planet to planet as they go, and these are actual real measurements given from NASA. I appreciate your time and truly hope you enjoyed this video.